One of the things, and you are one of the expert in gene and everything else. I'm going to maybe push a little bit further. Can you explain to us, what's the difference between the germline mutation and somatic mutation? Those are the two words that people hear it sometimes. What are those? And now maybe you can give us some example of those mutation genes in relationship to melanoma.
Sure. So germline, all that means, if you think about the germ cell means the sort of like the egg and the sperm, right? And so germline is something that is present in early on in those one of those cells that then gets incorporated in all the cells of your body, because everything that you are is derived from that egg and sperm, right? So you basically, that means that if you test your blood, then it's in your blood cells. If you test your skin, it's in your skin cells. It doesn't matter where you go, it's in the DNA in every cell of your body. And those mutations are the ones that make you more vulnerable to getting melanoma, right? So those are like the CDKN2A mutation, BAP1 mutation, MITF mutation, ARF mutation. Those are the high penetrance susceptibility genes in the germline. Okay, so now contrast that. The other word you used was somatic, right? And those mutations are the mutations that happen in the cancer or in the precursor to the cancer and lead to the development of cancer. So in the case of melanoma, the precursor that I'm talking about is just a mole, right? But in moles, you don't develop cancer overnight. I mean, it doesn't just develop spontaneously. It develops after you get a progression of a number of different mutations that occur. And those mutations in the mole, those are called somatic mutations. And they're a different set of mutations, although the CDKN2A mutation that's present in germline is often a common mutation that occurs somatically as well. But there's another gene like the BRAF gene, that BRAF, and NRAS and c-KIT, those mutations happen somatically more often than they do germline, and they cause that particular mole to go bad. But that doesn't mean, that every cell in your body has the mutation. It's just that one, just that mole that is developing into a melanoma. Hope that made sense.
No, that makes a great sense. I mean, I think, you encapsulated, you summarized the